Well, yes, friends, in this digital era where you can simply order all your groceries requirements from various mobile apps, similarly, Taxaram has brought up its unique and innovative mobile app Taxaram, which can be simply be downloaded from Google Play Store. Uh, this app makes it possible for you to file your ITRs, your GST returns, your responses to your tax notices, in faceless assessments, in faceless appeals, your registrations, your tax planning advices on the go. So let's check out this mobile app. So this mobile app, it has come up. So this Taxaram mobile app provides 12 specialized e-services like faceless assessments. Firstly, like faceless assessments, if you are in receipt of any particular tax notice, then you can simply get it complied with by logging into this mobile app Taxaram. Similarly, faceless appeals, which have become a reality now with effect from 25th of September 2020. Similarly, all your GST compliances, be it your registration, your return filings, monthly, annual return filings, your GST audit, Form 9, 9C, your assessments and appeals, all these can simply be complied with now with the help of this Taxaram mobile app. Similarly, your Vivad Se Vishwas scheme, if you wish to settle your disputed income tax litigations under the Vivad Se Vishwas scheme, then you can simply log into this mobile app. Then all the NRIs can simply file their income tax returns, all their tax compliances, all their assessments related compliances by just downloading this Taxaram mobile app. Then you can file your ITRs. The ITR due date for assessment year 2021 is 30th November 2020. So you can simply download this mobile app and file your ITRs at very cost effective and professional manner. Then lower TDS certificates, charitable trust registrations and plannings, all compliances related to charitable trusts. Then all your EPFO related compliances, your registration, your monthly returns, your responses to notices, all such compliances can simply be done by this app. Then your block assessments under income tax, your income tax rates can also be duly complied with. And all your MC and ROC related compliances, be it your company formation, startup formation, your annual return filing, all those things can simply be done by using this app now while sitting at home only. And your tax planning advices, your tax optimization advices, all this simply can be done. So friends, these 12 exclusive e-services provided by Taxaram mobile app, you can simply make use of these services by downloading this app. Now friends, let us see what these Taxaram's expert service plans. There are 60 expert service plans. So in this mobile app, if we just simply click on this view more expert service plans, then select these service plans, then we have to select the service category. As I have already mentioned that these 12 exclusive service categories are there, so we can select any of our service requirements based upon our requirements. Suppose we have to file our ITR. Sorry, I have selected this lower TDS certificate. Simply going back, suppose we have to ITR. So this ITR, e-ITRs and rectification service plans come up. So there are various service plans catered to the individual needs of each one of us based on upon returned income and our nature of income. So there are all the service plans at very cost effective and economical prices, and just while sitting at home. You don't have to visit any income tax department, you don't have to visit any consultant's office. You simply log into this Taxaram mobile app and simply relax and see your all the compliances done in a very cost effective and expert professional manner. Now going back, suppose now again this Taxaram, coming to back to this home page. So we have discussed this expert service plans of Taxaram. Now what else is there in this mobile app? Taxaram seamless process. It has been explained that you simply have to purchase your service plan from Taxaram, then give Taxaram an official e-mandate to do the necessary e-compliance on your behalf. Then you have to simply upload your notices and documents and records. They assign a dedicated dashboard and a professional to cater to your individual needs, and just sit back and relax while Taxaram does the needful using its expertise. Then this is also very special and close to my heart because all my articles are being uploaded there. This is latest from Taxaram's blog. For getting regular tax updates and corporate laws updates, you can simply download this mobile app, and wherever you are, you can simply check out my blog section, and you will get to know each and everything about the tax laws. All the crucial and relevant topics are being covered by me. Like these faceless assessments, you can get a lot of information on these faceless assessments, faceless appeals, which are going to be which have become a reality now. And there all these almost 27 to 28 blogs I have uploaded currently, and this will go on. This gold mine of knowledge is readily available in your mobiles now. So wherever you are, you can simply click on this mobile app Taxaram and get access to this gold mine of knowledge base. And similarly, so this mobile app is very user friendly and very innovative thing in this digital era. And what is Taxaram's advantage? Your data is safe and private, response within 24 hours, expert assistance anytime, anywhere. And these testimonials from very big organizations are there, some very reputed and big organizations. And this Taxaram is a web-based e-interface utility ensuring all your income tax, GST, EPF and ROC related statutory compliance is done in a faceless, paperless, hassle-free, professional and cost-effective manner within the comforts of your home without having the requirement to visit any tax government department or consultant's office. So this is Taxaram, and you can simply subscribe here by mentioning your email address, and you will get a daily newsletter containing all the tax updates. And you can simply register yourself also in the web-based version taxaram.com. So this friends, now you can simply get all your tax related queries solved, all your tax compliances done while sitting at home only. No hassles, no visits anywhere, no troubles at all. So this, in this digital era, is indeed a very path breaking and revolutionary initiative, and you should and you must take benefit of this innovative mobile app Taxaram. So thanking you, take care, bye bye.